In the global semiconductor race, expected to become a $1 trillion industry, Singapore is neither the largest country nor the one with the greatest natural resources. Yet, one in every 10 chips worldwide is produced here, and the city's state accounts for around 20% of the world's semiconductor manufacturing equipment. Instead of competing across every segment of the industry, Singapore has chosen to focus on the highest value parts of the semiconductor supply chain. What's the strategy behind its success? Our correspondent Hu Hum reports from Singapore.
As artificial intelligence drives a surge in global chip demand, Singapore is not rushing into the race to produce the most advanced chips. Instead, this island nation is focusing on a sector that is currently seen as the bottleneck of the modern semiconductor industry. That is advanced packaging technology.
This process is extremely important. In the data center, that's exactly what advanced packaging is. It means that we bring together all the chips, including GPUs and CPUs, and we put them onto a unified platform to boost performance and data transmission within the data center. Singapore identified this very early on and focused heavily on it.
Choosing the right segment has helped Singapore attract a host of the world's leading technology corporations. Applied Materials have just invested 643 million Singapore dollars to expand its research and manufacturing center here. Meanwhile, many other businesses are also strengthening their presence to take advantage of the country's complete semiconductor ecosystem.
We have a very good pool of talent. Secondly, we have a very good and stable political environment, not just within Singapore ecosystem, but also extended that to the region like Vietnam.
However, Singaporean officials believe that the greatest advantage does not lie in factories or investment capital. It is the ability to sustain an innovative and creative ecosystem over many decades. The Singaporean government had just allocated 37 billion Singapore dollars to the Research, Innovation and Enterprise 2030 program, the largest investment ever, focusing on strategic areas such as semiconductors, artificial intelligence, photonics, and quantum computing.
Singapore today is a key node in the global semiconductor value chain. And it's an achievement made possible because we have invested steadily in this space and built up an entire ecosystem. So we have to do the same in other areas, in existing industries like finance, advanced manufacturing and logistics, but also in key growth sectors like AI and quantum computing.
From a country with virtually no natural resources, Singapore is demonstrating how a small economy can carve out a global position by focusing on the areas where it can excel the most. Hiu Hung reporting for Vietnam Today.